Joy and Ethan are back for Hello, Love Again. Cap, Alden, let's pose for photos muna. Right over there. There you go.
Excites me even more is this is the first collaboration of Star Cinema and GMA Pictures in a film. And we couldn't be happier, you know, talagang tuloy-tuloy na yung collaboration. Ever since naman we started Hello, Love, Goodbye, na from actors na nagsama from different networks ngayon for a beautiful movie to happen. Even the networks are now one and united for this film. So we're happy and parang ako, inintay ko rin siya.
Minanifest mo rin to?
Parang, kumbaga after seeing the film over and over again, natulog ng, yung pangarap na yun nasa puso ko lang in the past 5 years. So, finally nga, ito nga, dreams to come true talaga.
Totoo yan.
I can attest to that.
Na?